Welcome to Octal Steel. This video shows the complete SAW pipe manufacturing process. Everything starts with qualified steel coil with heat ID and traceability in place. The coil is uncoiled and fed into the line with stable tension control, preparing it for continuous forming. Next is straightening. It removes coil set and stabilizes the strip for accurate forming and seam fit up. The strip edges are milled to create clean, uniform weld faces for stable seam quality. Now the strip is formed into a spiral pipe. The forming process controls helix angle and geometry to keep the pipe round and stable before welding. Tack welding locks the shape and stabilizes the seam, so the pipe enters the main welding stations with controlled fit-up. Right after that, plasma cutting is used for clean trimming and preparation for the next welding stage. This is the heart of the line, submerged arc welding, inside and out. Controlled parameters and heat input help achieve full penetration and consistent seam quality. After welding, the seam is dressed and ground where required. Remove spatter and get it ready for inspection. Radiographic testing checks internal weld quality. This is a key release gate to confirm the weld meets acceptance criteria. Each pipe then goes through hydrostatic testing to verify pressure integrity and ensure leak-tight performance. End facing and end prep come next. We make sure the pipe ends are square and clean, ready for coating or field welding. Before coating, we blast clean the surface to achieve the required profile and adhesion. Next comes PE or PP wrapping, part of the 3LP system for even coverage. The coated pipe is then cooled by water quenching to stabilize the coating and prepare for handling. Finally, you'll see finished pipes and an aerial view of the facility and stockyard. Pipes are stacked, protected, and managed for organized dispatch. This concludes our SAW manufacturing walkthrough. For SAW pipe procurement, please contact Octal Steel.